Good stuff, Mike. Oh gosh. Hey. Oh, what? What? Dude, not my differential. Oh gosh. Hey Mike, I'm actually stuck. No. What? Would you just calm down, Michelle?
No, I'm trying to get shit done.
It's not very nice. Hey, okay, actually, let me see that. Let me see. You good with it?
Yeah, sure.
Jeez. Why are you so aggressive? Whoa. Look at that. Look at that. All skill, half skill. Okay, there's no skill involved. Leave. Dorky ass 4 hours.
No skill Jones.
No skill, man. Why you gotta be like that, bro? When have I ever treated you this way?
Every day.
Oh, look at that. It's so nice.
Every fucking day.
Every day. It seems a bit excessive, Mike. Not every day.
The time you got me parked 6 miles away, that's why I got here first. Took my spot. I was like,
Always take the good parking.
I was like, hey, Mike, can you get all your tools out of your truck?
And just haul them over. Dude, you want to talk about that in EMS, man? Let me tell you, I got stories about that, okay? About making people haul stuff.
Oh,
You always make the EMT haul everything, and you just walk in with the laptop. Oh, shoot. Wrong way.
fucking be doing that.
Hey, hey, you're on camera. You're on camera. Just came up with an idea.
I think you're just always mad at me. Right, dude.
I think I'm always mad that you're just a doofus. Oh! Right as I let that hose out.
I was just hoping you didn't break anything.
Yeah, it's
This
nice.
is one of my favorite factory GM
They're green.
The green that turns blue.
Yeah.
Back to green again.
It's green.
Okay, this one size smaller.
Okay. Oh, I got different kinds too.
Yeah, see if you, let me see yours.
Well, I'll show you where they are.
Just,
Good dude, I have literally like 50 different disconnect tools.
do you?
It's got to match these bolts because they do need to go in their certain spots. Sweet.
Where are your pliers at? Those
Well,
pliers back there.
There you go.
I'm gonna take the other side of this loose.
For what?
Right here.
Okay.
The throttle body.
Yeah. Oh, she's stuck on there. Got like some kind of Loctite in it.
No.
What's up?
So
Oh,
all the rest of them came with us, right? There's only 6 that go through.
Yeah.
You see it? I can put it on there. I just want to see if
It's going slowly. Turn it. Like, give it some good turn. It was turning.
You need to invest in one of these. It's barely out. Here, we need a picture of this. Like, save the day.
No, whatever, dude. Jeez, Louise. Hey, could you get out of my spot?
Get in here just.
It's my spot, sir.
You're already in. You're already.
Hey,
You're good.
you still want to start that Guardian Angel Mobile Mechanic?
Yeah.
Yeah?
We gotta start the fucking non-for-profit first, dude.
My name is McAdams. I'm gonna bitch about my
Oh my God.
My name is McAdams.
Turn down for what? You think this is hot enough to touch or cold enough to touch it?
Yeah, sure.
Oh. Dude, this thing's cold as ice.
It's fucking
Do you even know how to?
It doesn't hold heat.
Do you even know how to use that thing?
Yeah, touch the block behind it. Let the block behind it stop.
All right, we'll just clean that bolt up.
Aluminum and not steel.
Hey, Mike, look. That's the water pump. Wow, Mike, that's so cool. Hey. You gotta get in the radiator. What are you doing? Anyway, back to reality.
Oh, two for one. He tried to get in two.
Power steering pump.
Nice. You know what's funny? Remember the lady with the Jeep Liberty in the window regulator?
Yeah.
She left me a 5-star.
Are you serious? Yeah, it's because you keep stealing my customers,
The
Mike.
funny thing is I don't know how she found me. I literally gave her my business card, and it just says Mike's Mechanical out of Milliken, and it says Mike's Mechanical on Facebook.
Yeah.
Oh, it's about as clean as she's gonna get on the side of the road.
Hey, why are one side different than the other, Mike? You know? I'm trying not to. It's like the part I hate most about these jobs.
Have to use your string.
No, trying to line stuff up. Why you gotta be so mean to me, Mike?
Would you like to be?
What?
Goes both ways.
You go both ways.
Not today.
Not today. Depends on who I'm with. Shot. Hey, you might want to clean this bolt off.
Which one?
That one nasty one.
Wait a second. The bolt that you pulled out, I might want to clean.
Yeah, can you clean it off for me? With your new wire wheel and stuff? You're just so eager to...
Wire wheel.
Whatever! Yeah, it'll be alright.
What is that car again?
Trailblazer. I mean, it's a Saab, but it's a Trailblazer.
5.3 or inline?
I didn't even bother to check it.
I'm kind of a mechanic sometimes.
Sometimes.
Here, let me get a picture of you doing something.
Proof that it happened.
Here, look at me.
Is that for online?
Yeah. Yeah, that real ugly one for sure. Did you like that one picture?
That's why I did that face.
Yeah.
The what? The what?
We gotta take that fuck. Where's the old water pump at? Did you put it in the pan?
No, it should just be like right here.
Wait, the thermostat. Where'd you took it off and got it somewhere?
What? The thermostat?
Yeah. I'm just making.
I got a new thermostat.
I'm just making sure we got it. Yeah. I'm just making sure we got everything.
Yeah. Anything, you know what I mean?
And I need to float it in. Float it in.
Float it real good.
Okay, wait a second.
Does that matter?
Quit doing that then.
Well, it's not gonna...
Let me see. Let me see what it's doing.
It's a big old fucking thermostat.
Same as the old one?
Yeah.
Same as the old one?
No, it's just pushing up against the thing.
Oh, in there? That's the way it does.
That's the way it does. Hold on. No, now that your hands are in there. Sucker!
You couldn't get a fucking thermostat.
Ooh, sucker.
Weakling.
Here, while you're
Let me
there.
have this
While
back
you're
here.
there. Sucks to be the help. Literally the same thing, dude. Literally
You
the
got the
same.
B version.
I got the B version?
Yeah.
Doesn't say it on the thing. You know what it says?
I have a conniption the other day.
I just want to get the right one. Just want to get the right one, Mike. You know
It's
that?
not that. It's the fucking. It's the odometer that I know that I didn't.
Oh my gosh. No, this is a show from the 90s. Were you even alive in the 90s? You young kid? You're so young. You're so young.
When were you born?
A lot
1996.
older than you are.
Are you?
Yeah, you're a young pup still.
How old are you?
At least 40.
You ain't 40.
How old do you think I am?
You said you were like 37 or something.
Wow, do I look 37?
Yeah.
Wow, Mike.
How old are you?
I don't want to tell you now. If you say I look 37, I'm 20. I'm practically a baby. I'm 35.
35?
Yeah.
You're getting there.
And I own my own business so much that I have to hire help. Freaking amazing.
You get so much business you can't do. You have to hire help.
Yeah. I gotta get.
Mike will save you. Let's do it.
No, it's not Michael saved me anything. The only thing he saved me is time.
Mike's savior. Mike's
Savior Mechanic.
Savior Mechanic. That's what I am. Saving. I'm gonna start up a mechanic just for your ass.
Look, oh look, I got it, Mike. Thank you. Oh, you're chastising. You're a chastiser. Who's done first? Me.
Whatever I gotta do.
Me. All right, where's my canapers? See, the only reason you're done first is because you're stealing my tools. No, give me these.
Here, wait a second. No. Don't put that
What?
on there yet.
Why?
Because this fucking thing literally does have to go on here.
What thing? Oh, whatever.
Guess what?
Oh, what? I mean, if you say you're done, I got one more thing you still need to do, and I'm gonna do mine first. Because I know you ran off with it.